This video is proudly brought to you by Sycamore Labs.
We have a simple pendulum with a length of 1.5 meters. We want to find its period of oscillation, the time for one complete swing back and forth. The motion is simple harmonic for small angles, so the period depends only on the length and the acceleration due to gravity, not on the mass or the amplitude. The formula is t equals 2 pi times the square root of length divided by g. We will use standard gravity, 9.8 meters per second squared. We have everything we need to substitute directly. Substitute the known values into the period formula. T equals 2 pi times the square root of 1.5 divided by 9.8. We compute the fraction inside the square root first. 1.5 divided by 9.8 is approximately 0.15306. The square root of that is approximately 0.39123. Now multiply by 2 pi. That is roughly 6.2832. 6.2832 times 0.39123 gives approximately 2.458 seconds. The period of the 1.5 meter pendulum is approximately 2.46 seconds. A common mistake is to use the length in centimeters without converting. 150 divided by 9.8 gives a much larger number and a period around 7.7 seconds, which is wrong. Always use meters for length and meters per second squared for g, so the units inside the square root are seconds squared, giving a period in seconds. To recap, identify the length, use the formula t equals 2 pi square root of L over g, substitute with consistent SI units, and compute step by step. The period of a 1.5 meter pendulum is 2.46 seconds. This method works for any simple pendulum length. Just plug in the value in meters.